Teasing prank. Hey Joe, how's it going? Oh. Olivia, what do you think I did? Pee on you? Gotta reload. Real fast. I just haven't been feeling good all day.
Huh? You what?
I just haven't been feeling good all day.
You haven't feel good?
Yeah, no.
Why?
Probably just a cold.
What do you mean, you're coughing in that?
Yeah.
Ah,
Hi, Grandma.
that's alright.
Okie dokie, I'm done.